Hey everybody, welcome back. We are here in Jarrell, Texas at our latest flip. We've been working on this one for a few weeks now with our partners and entrepreneurs, Belinda and Misty, and this project's going along just great. So far we've done all the demo and now we're prepping the ceilings, getting the texture, we've built a couple walls, and we're getting everything ready to start putting it back together. And Jarrell, this is such a great market. It's a small town right outside of Austin, Texas, here in the MSA. But it's got a great city and it's got a lot of potential. There's even been rumors that Disney is going to build a theme park here. But anyways, let's go inside and let's check out the property. Alright guys, so as you can tell here inside, we've got everything taped off. Right now what we're doing is we're fixing the sheetrock on the ceilings. We're applying some putty, we're going to tape and float it, and then after all this is done with all the ceilings, we're going to come back through and texture everything. Then from there, we're going to be working our way down. So after we texture, we're going to paint the ceiling, we're going to paint the walls, we're going to get our flooring in, then get our baseboards in. And right now we've got all the demo complete and we're just prepping everything so that it's ready so that we can finish the rest of the project. As soon as we get this done and we start working down, things will move very fast and very quickly. But let's go check out the master bedroom. All right guys, so here in the master bedroom, this is one of my favorite parts of the house. We're gonna do a lot to this one and we've gotten most of the demo done. And it's still all taped up in here, still working on the ceilings, and we're gonna texture, paint, work our ways down. But one of the things that I really like is how we walled off the bathroom and the actual bedroom. So the vanity in the bathroom used to be connected here in the master like you've seen in the previous episodes. Well, we finally got our wall up. We're gonna get everything all ready to go so that we can paint it. But the wall is there, we're gonna add the door, and then now we actually too have a stand-up shower in the bathroom. That way it's separate. It gives the new owners that are gonna move into this house some privacy from the bedroom to the bathroom. And I think it's gonna turn out great. They have done a great job so far. So let's go check out the kitchen. All right, so here in the kitchen, doing some more of the same. We're still currently working on our ceiling here, getting everything ready so that we can texture and paint it. If you remember, we decided to keep these upper kitchen cabinets. So we really like these. We're gonna try and sand them down and paint them, but we did have to remove all the lower cabinets. They had some mold and some water damage, and they just weren't best to keep. So we're keeping these uppers. We are going to sand them down, paint them, and we're gonna get some cabinets on the lower to match the top. And we lucked out, we were able to keep this stove here, so we don't have to buy a new stove for the appliances. And as soon as we get all this taken care of on the ceiling, we're gonna texture, paint, and work our way top down. But as soon as we get this done and we're able to texture and paint, those bathrooms will be done in probably 2 days, knock those completely out. Then we're gonna get everything on the walls, get the cabinets in here, flooring, baseboards, and this project will be about ready to go. We'll have some final touches, hanging light fixtures and such, but this project will start to move along a lot quicker than it has been. When we started this project, we had to take care of the roof, we had to take care of the foundation. We experienced a few days where there was some really cold weather and ice, so that put us back a little bit, but now we are moving right along. And we've done a lot so far. And actually too, on the outside, we've completed a lot as well. So let's go see that. In the backyard, we're gonna do some landscaping. We're gonna take care of that fence and we're gonna do some work on that back patio. We're gonna paint all the walls. We're gonna do something with the concrete on the back patio, probably stain it or maybe even paint it. But it's gonna look really good. And on the front here, as you can see, the ladies got to work day one as soon as we got out here, and all this landscaping is done. All this is dug up due to the foundation, but we've gotten a lot done so far, and this project is moving really smooth. No issues that we weren't expecting so far, other than really minor things that we're able to easily overcome. And this is going to be such a great project. It's right here in the heart of Jarrell, and it's a really desirable area. So as soon as we're done, it's gonna be right in early spring where we're gonna be listing this on the market, and I expect to get a ton of really good offers. Can't thank our partners Belinda and Misty enough. we're doing really good. And this one is moving along. So we'll see you back here when we are finished with the flip, and we'll give you the final tour of the property. Until then, see you next time. Don't include that in the video. I know you can't resist the urge.